Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. This was a brand new 125 kVA generator which met an accident in the lorry. You can see the alternator was damaged, the fan was damaged, the panel is being damaged, so we are changing the panel cover with a new one. Radiator was damaged, the whole canopy was damaged. We are installing a brand new canopy to it. You can see the old canopy over there. This is the radiator. It was also damaged. You can see the pipes are damaged. New air filter installed. Old panel cover changed with new panel. The radiator is going to be fitted very soon. This was the old broken panel. You can see the damage. ये है ना gold